Hey guys, sorry, I'm doing the recap a little bit late today. So the market is closed. Um, we traded. I traded LK and NPH. So let me give the lesson on LK. So there was a really nice short on LK at the open. Says LK was gapping up in the pre-market. It did drop. It was a really nice 1 minute opening range breakdown. So it did sell off. It was a really nice opening range breakdown from 40.90 all the way down to the previous day close, but I gotta chase it, so it dropped and I got a really bad entry here at 40.50, hoping to get to the green to red. It did pull back. I added more a little bit on that, but it did bounce back from this level, which is on a daily chart. That's a yesterday high. So it did bounce back from the yesterday high, and I got a stopped out. As soon as I got a stopped out, it came back up, dropped. I went short again, and now this one turned out to be a really nice 5-minute opening range breakdown, and eventually really had a really nice drop below this previous day close. So, you know, went all the way down to 30.96, and the last piece I got out at the break-even point. So yeah, that was the first stop out that I think, but that was a really nice move after that I got. And the lesson that I got here, chasing it. That chasing is really not a great thing. You know, that bad entry, you know, essentially was a 5-minute, very nice 5-minute opening range breakdown to this, getting this move. But again, getting a really bad entry kind of messed me up. So when short added more, just got the fear of missing out. But eventually, I went back short in here at 40.80 all the way down to 39.60, which is, that's a really good drop. So that was it. There's another scalp that I did on ENPH. ENPH is on fire. So wow, it's closed all the way up to, closed all the way up to that. So I did trade an ABCD pattern on that. Also, the 5-minute opening range break up. So it's an all-time high. This stock is just crazy. It's a solar thing. So it was a really nice 5-minute opening range break up, but I didn't trade that. I see a consolidation. And as soon as it made a new 5-minute high, I saw the volume is coming. I just jumped in into 55, sold all the way up to almost 57. So that was another scalp that I did on that. So and after that, it just stayed strong, really going all the way up. All the way up to 59. I think tomorrow is gonna probably be even more crazier. Yeah, closed all the way up to the all-time high. So tomorrow is probably gonna be in play as well. So it did hit our scanner a couple of times as well. So see at the open, it was just all hitting our scanner left and right. So that was it. And Tesla, you guys saw that, yesterday I said after this move to 850, I mentioned that, the title of my recap was Tesla 2000. I wouldn't be surprised if in the next couple of days it goes all the way up to $1,000 Tesla. It's just this mania that people got. There's a lot of shorts that are trapped. There's also people go nuts altogether, but there's an old saying that people go nuts together, but they become wise one by one. So now everyone just has this Tesla mania. That is totally remind me of Bitcoin mania of back in 2017. There's also a lot of people short on that. So it still is a very heavily shorted stock. So, but that's a lesson that even a company is bankrupt, the price action they're just killing you until really goes into the direction that you want. On a 5-minute chart, there was a really nice bounce from 200 moving average. Again, this is a simple example that how the moving averages, especially higher moving averages on higher time frame, is so important. So as soon as it dropped with heavy volume, and these moving averages bounce back. There's a lot of strategies that or computers or people just algos are buying right at the 200 moving average, no matter where the no matter what the time frame is. I'm sure there's a lot of algos that just buy a 200 moving average on a daily chart, on a 1-minute chart. It's just a counter trend on 200 moving average because it's just a very strong support or resistance. All right, so that's it, guys. So we have the webinar in a couple of hours. I was hoping to actually record a recap from yesterday. I'm hoping to do that before this webinar about the trade that we did yesterday. And so I think this trade recaps are more useful, really. See how it goes. Thanks a lot, guys. Cheers.